So, guys, I want to talk to everyone who is a friend to Igbo. Maybe you are dating Igbo, you are married to Igbo, you are friends, you love Igbo land. Now, I'm not talking about Biafra because Biafra have a lot of tribe, but I want to call out Igbo particularly. You guys may have known what happened on the 20th of November 2025 when the Nigerian judicial system, out of all their constitution, neglect everything where judge quote wrongly a Bible verse too. That's Matthew 23, verse 23. You can read that and go up to 24. This is judicial system. It's not about, and Nigeria is a secular nation whereby judge should not be making reference to the Bible actually. Okay. Now listen. So among everything, everybody is calling to free Nnamdi Kanu. The Nigerian government decide to give him life imprisonment without nothing, without no proof. Nnamdi Kanu repeatedly and said, show me the law where I committed crime, then I'll be happy to be sentenced. And we could have been happy to see that he committed this crime. And this guy, Nnamdi Kanu, was born in Afarakuku. He was born during the Nigerian and Biafra War. By right, Nnamdi Kanu is not a Nigerian actually. Then after Nigeria and Biafra have the no win, no vanquish, Nnamdi Kanu decided to use Nigerian passport and go to Britain, where he later obtained a British passport. And lately, he traveled British passport to Kenya when they got him arrested. By right, Nigeria should not be stealing a British citizen from Kenya. Britain, maybe out of whatever reason, they refuse to fight for this thing, which I believe that the law will cut off with Britain because it's just a developed world like any other developed world. There will be a judicial inquiry that may go on that. I don't know. So now listen. So the courts, out of everything, sentenced Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment. This makes about 90% of Igbos are hot. If you're a friend of Igbo, husband to Igbo, aspiring to marry Igbo or whatever business with Igbos, we are deeply hurt, including myself. I am an Igbo man. Even those that we see injustice continue to play around with us. Other tribe, Yoruba, Hausa, Fulani, I don't know their reason for always hurting Igbos. And Igbos have given so much to Nigeria. Nigeria may not progress today is because of Igbos. If Igbos put their full input, Nigeria progress. Nigeria is vibrant today is because of Igbos. Nigerian business are known worldwide is because of Igbos. Check it out. But yet they have hatred for these people that are giving them so much life. Now, when after the Biafra war, a lot of Igbos they lose everything. Even some universities don't take Igbos. Some Igbos went to change them in order to gain admission to universities. They took all the money that Igbos are millionaire. They took their money. They took their houses. At the end of the day, give us 20 pence. That was 45 years ago. But after that, today, Nigerians are actually saying that Igbos are oppressing them, that Igbos are dominating them, because miraculously, Igbos become so wealthy again. They begin vibrant again. They begin to come up more than other people that stole from them. I always say this is a miraculous from God. If you watch, Igbo man will come in as a poor man, poverty, but give him maybe 10 years, you will see different story. All these Igbos we are seeing today, they started from scratch, including my father fought for Biafra War. My father lost two of his brothers in Biafra War. When you hear him say, you tell your story of Biafra War, it's so painful. But let's not go to there. We like justice. Nnamdi Kanu during the case repeatedly asked the judge motto so that where did I commit the crime? Show me the book I can read and the word we know that I committed this crime. I'm happy, even death penalty to go for it. Repeatedly, they could not show him. They just frame anything because as an Igbo man and gave him. Recently, the current president called Tinubu is a Yoruba man. The 16 Hausa men that wanted to overthrow him, all everybody shut mouth because they are Hausa. If it is Igbos, they will go and start destroying Igbo property because Igbo owns most of the shops or most of the businesses in Nigeria. They will start destroying those things because of the hatred they have in Igbo. So I'm begging you, if you also love of Igbo or are married to Igbo or something like that, a lot of the kind of video that he has out there, make a video by yourself and tag those words that he said. He said, why are they pursuing me? I'm pursuing independent state of Biafra or honesty according to the law of the country. So they should tell me where I've gone wrong. So guys, please, Even though if your boyfriend, your husband, your friend did not tell you that it's pain, a lot of Igbos are paying. 90% are paying today. So make us also show the love. Share this or maybe let people know what is going on. Thank you and stay blessed.